Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Aquarians. Let's see what's happening in their love life in the month of September. Yeah, I know almost September is going to be over in 10 to 11 days. But what can I do? Sorry for uploading late videos. Anyways, let's start. Let's see what's happening for Aquarians in their love life in the month of September. Okay, the first card is Ace of Swords. The next is Seven of Coins. Knight of Cups, the Star, Queen of Cups, and Seven of Swords. Okay, first I'll start with the general reading, then I'll move towards the love reading. This is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so what first I'm seeing here is Aquarians, you're going to be very sharp with your words in the month of September. Be very mindful of what you are speaking, to whom you are speaking. Be very mindful of what and whom you are speaking to. Okay, otherwise your words are going to cut through some person in your life. Okay, some people are going to be very mad at you because you said something to them. So just be wary of what you say to other people. I'm also saying you starting something, you wanting to start something, something new, something brand new. Okay, what I see here is you'll be working very hard towards your money and finances, like in your workspace, in your job and career area. You're going to be very busy throughout the month of September. You will be planning your finances out. Maybe you will be investing somewhere, or you will be planning to invest somewhere. Yeah, I'm also seeing you feeling very emotional about the people around you, like your family members, your friends, your relatives, whomsoever you are spending the most time with. You will feel emotionally quite drawn to them, and you'll be the one who will always start the communication. You'll be the one who will be very emotionally open and connected to the people around you. Okay, you'll feel much connected to people around you. I'm also seeing you might feel skeptical of people around you. You will feel as if everyone is against you, or maybe someone is not being true to you. You will be quite skeptical of all the people around you because you'll be too emotional. That is why you'll be more skeptical about the people around you. Okay, like everyone, like your colleagues, your friends, anyone. Okay, I'm definitely seeing you, many of you are going to start something new, like a business, side business, a new income source. You'll be generating a new income source, or you will be investing somewhere. Okay, I am seeing you having very stable financial conditions in the month of September. There will be no issues whatsoever, and you are quite hopeful about the future. You'll be very positive throughout the month of September regards your career, your family, anything else. Now let's move to your love life. What I'm seeing here is you are ready to take action. You maybe from a very long time there is stagnancy in the situation, and now you're ready to take action. You're ready to connect to the person whom you love. Maybe you are in a separation with this person and you want to connect to this person, and you will be the one who will take the initiative. Okay, you will ask this person like for forgiveness, or maybe to start something new with you. I'm also seeing you working very hard and very dedicated. You will show very dedication in your relationship. You will be much dedicated in your relationship. Emotionally, you will be investing your time and efforts into this relationship. Whomsoever you're thinking about, you are going to invest yourself into the relationship you are with this person. Okay, may it be your friends or your loved one. Okay, you'll be more emotionally offering to this person. You will express your feelings openly to this person. You will want to take things further with this person. I'm seeing you connecting more to this person. Yeah, or someone will be offering you something like an emotional offer, which will be quite good for you, which will be quite satisfying for you, which will make you happy. I'm also seeing quite possible you will feel as if this person is doing something wrong, they are doing something behind your back, they are, or like you will show distrust, or like you won't trust this person so easily. You will feel as if they're sneaking around, they are lying to you, they are hiding something from you. So that is the energy I'm getting. You will be very skeptical of all the people around you, because you will be more emotionally sensitive in the month of September. Okay, Aquarians? Yeah. I'm seeing you working very hard towards a relationship, always being the first for investing into the relationship, taking action, showing emotions, expressing love. You will be the one who is investing more into the relationship. You might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aquarius specifically, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There is no fire sign here, but you might be dealing with a fire sign also. What I see here is you are being very hopeful, you are being very positive about this relationship. So yeah, that is what I'm seeing here. You're going to offer something, or maybe this person is going to offer you something brand new, something very stable and sustaining. Yeah, so that's what we are getting for you, Aquarians. Let's see what oracle messages do we have for you. What messages do we have for Aquarians for the month of September? Okay, what messages do we have? First is the regeneration. I think you both are going to start something over, reconnect, reunion, reconciliation, something that is going to regenerate itself. Okay, or in your personal life also, I'm seeing you, or your professional life, you are going to work for something and you are going to create something. Okay, what is the next one? Community. I think you will want to spend most of your time in with people around you, with people you love. You will be always finding yourself in a group of people, talking, gossiping, expressing how you feel, expressing what thoughts you have regarding something. So you'll be always crowded and you'll always be around someone. Okay, you won't like to be alone in the month of September. You'll always want to be with people, surrounded by people. Okay, that is what I'm seeing here, and that will be good for you. That will be good for your mental health overall. Okay, beautiful. You'll also find new good friends with whom you'll spend most of your time, like-minded people. Yeah, your own tribe. Let's see what advice do we have from the handwritten advices. Okay, the first is 156 months. So something major happened 156 months ago, or something major is going to happen, or January, June and July were for many of you it was a specific month or something like that. Yeah. What more do we have? The first message is, so the person you're dealing with might be younger to you, or you might be younger to them, something like that. Or the person you're dealing with is quite dominant, or you need to be dominant to this person. Don't take any shit now, just be dominant. Manifestation, you're going to manifest something, so be very thoughtful. Whenever you are manifesting something, make sure it's positive. Okay, influence, maybe you are easily influenced by people around you, or someone is going to influence you in the month of September. So that was it. I hope you liked the reading. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.